Hi there. 5:30. 5:30 in the afternoon supposedly, but it's night already. I cannot see any sunshine. Welcome to Germany. I'm going to walk. Going to bus stop. Going back home. I just went somewhere today. So here, you don't see any sunshine. It's really cold and no sunshine. And what else? It's windy at the same time. Yeah. Hi there. Who's watching? Not sure. It's really cold. No sunshine. No sun. Alright. It's 5:30. Imagine 5:30 in the afternoon. Supposedly. In the Philippines, 5:30 in the afternoon. Yeah, we usually say that. But here I think 5:30 in the evening. Seems like 4 p.m. There's no more sunshine. 4 p.m. Hi there, who's watching? Hi, welcome to Tegish Vlog on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, that's the next. Especially on YouTube. Don't forget. So here, this is what it looks like. Everybody's watching. Oh, and that is the train going south. Okay. So we're already near the bus stop. Let's see. So the what is this? Mubarak. Alright, thank you. Okay. So we have to keep on walking. Going to the other side. Yeah, that is the bus stop already. We're near. We're almost there. Okay. Let's just wait for the green. For the go sign. For the go signal. Okay. So it's red, and then now it's green from this side, and then green over that side. Hi there. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Welcome to Germany, and it's. See, you can see the time there. Is it like go already? I'm not sure. Oh, you cannot see it. It's revolving. Okay. Let's just wait for the green signal. Okay, now we can walk. And then let's wait again for the green signal. Crossing the other side. There. We're going to cross. So here we have to touch it so that they know that there's like a person here waiting. Alright, thank you. Who's watching? Hi there, 4 viewers. Now it's 3. Alright. Thank you so much. It's 5:30 p.m. Oh, it's green. Okay, let's walk. And then here you have to touch the signal. Yeah, touch it. And let's just wait. Okay, we're going to take a bus going home. Now it's green. Okay, finally. And this is the bus stop that I'm talking about. So we're going to wait here. Alright. So in 2 minutes the bus will be here in 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's just wait. See, that is the time. Oh, why it's 2 p.m. No, it's not 2 p.m. It's just 5:30, something like that. Okay, thank you so much. Hi there. Please, my TikTok account is my TikTok ID, something like that. Thank you so much, Mary San. Hi. Oh, nice speak. Thank you so much. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Leggers Vlog YouTube. Leggers Vlog YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Threads, Instagram, X, YouTube. Bye bye, guys. Good night. It's really night already. 5:30. Bye bye.